Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to install AhsayOBM on Linux GUI using the RPM installer. Let's go to my screen and get started. On your computer, open your web browser. Then type in the URL of your backup server. Go to the download page by clicking the button right here. And under AhsayOBM, go to the Linux FreeBSD and Solaris section. Click the RPM Online installer to begin the installation. Once the download is complete, open the RPM file and click Install. You have now successfully installed AhsayOBM on your computer. Go to the Activities, then click on the Applications, and double-click on the AhsayOBM icon to open the application. Log in using your credentials. You may now start to create a backup set and backup your files. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Linux GUI using the RPM installer. It's that simple.